What's up, guys? Today I bought another thing that I probably don't need, which is the Switch 2 Pokemon AZ release. But what the heck? I like playing Pokemon. Anyways, this is going to be the unboxing for this package and also go over how you can download this package because the instructions aren't very clear and then they're kind of hard to find. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy here. Full game download is included in the Switch. These are the new controllers. They are magnetic. Pretty nice. It's a lot smoother than the Snap-on, but they do come with these extra buttons in the back that let you detach it easily. I didn't figure that out until later. But yeah, so it comes with this nice HDMI cable, the two extra attachments to the controllers. I don't really know what those are used for, honestly. And this is an extra controller that you can attach. This is for the power cables here. Nice little Nintendo power cable with a logo. Whew, looking good. And this is the power dock where you can attach it to your television. Switch 2, so you can tell the difference between your Switch 1 and your Switch 2. Nice rounded back. And if you pop it up, this part detaches and you should be able to, this is where you put your AC adapter and your HDMI cable. And you can pop it in from the top like so. Nice. Now let's take a look at these controllers here. So the Switch 2, it comes with these magnetic attaches, which I really like. It really just pops in there. Got an orange one and a blue one. Wow. Click, clicking buttons and super nice material. HDMI cables, not very long, so you got to keep it close to your TV. And this pad is pretty much like a touch screen. Yeah, so I got a haircut and the screen's super reflective here. This is where you put the plus side and the negative side. Switch 2, it comes with a nice little stand now. I guess they really listen to their customers, but now these controllers you can just like pop them in. Boom. I like the colors. Put it in the dock. Okay, so these are the extra attachments you can add to the controllers. I really don't understand what they are needed for, other than maybe if you're like throwing your controllers, you attach it to your hand so you don't like throw it against the wall. Other than that, they don't really have any particular use. There's supposed to be a button in the back that helps you easily detach these controllers. But yeah, you just place it on top there and it doesn't really do much. So yeah. And then they give you this extra piece to make an actual controller, and they just pop in there real nice. Yeah, it's really smooth. Got that Nintendo. You see those buttons in the back? Those are the buttons you're supposed to use to easily detach the controllers. Yeah, so when you first start up your Switch, you're gonna have to set up a lot of default settings and log into your account. I won't go over that too much, but they give you a few options like connecting it to your TV, and they show you how to use the controller, so you don't have to skip that part, but you also set up the Wi-Fi, and then it starts installing the latest updates. Another cool thing about the Switch 2 is now you can plug it into the top here. So they got two charger parts, where one at the top and one at the bottom. And when it's set up, you should be able to install the Pokemon game. When I first opened the box, I was like, where are the instructions to install this game? But first you got to sign into your account. Once you sign in an account, the instructions are right here. So you open the box right under this flap here. There's instructions. And basically, all you got to do is go to the shop after you logged in, and then the game will be available, and you can download it. Nice, yeah. So it's that simple. Your Switch 2 should have the game inside of it. I almost returned it because I couldn't find the instructions, but you just got to go to the shop, log into your account, and it will tell you that you have a game available for download. Anyways, I'm gonna be going to capture some Pokemon. I'm gonna capture a Magikarp and I'm gonna train it to Gyarados because that's what I do with all of these games. That's the main point of the game. You gotta capture Magikarp and train it all the way to Gyarados. You can't just capture Gyarados and just it doesn't feel the same. Cool. All right, bye.